Okay, Amber has, alright, let's start the second part of this. Amber has a bag of 24 marbles. Okay, so we know that we have 24 marbles, 7 red, 5 marbles of blue, and the rest are pink. James take out 2 marbles without replacing, so he doesn't put them back. What is the probability that they are both are blue? Okay, so the first time we have it, we have 5 blues out of 24 marbles, because remember, we took 1 out, so there's only 23 marbles left. We also took a blue out, so there is 4. And remember, with probability, we multiply the 2 of them together, and we should get, using our trusty calculator, we should get 6 out of 138. Okay, there are 9 singers competing at a talent show. In how many different ways can the singer appear in the lineup? A lineup is sort of like a permutation, okay? But if we really look at this, okay, in the lineup, we start with 9 singers, okay? Then we have to have 9 different combinations with that. Then the second time around, we can have 8, then 7, then 6, then 5. So all that is a factorial. Okay. So 9 factorial gives us 3, 6, 2, 8, 8, 0. Okay, you can always use permutation if you want, okay? Okay, 9 factorial. Yeah. Okay, this is actually 5 over 138. Okay, so now we're down to a school that has 6 Spanish teachers and 5 French teachers. Okay, the school's principal randomly choose 3. Okay, so this is going to be our combination problem. Okay, if you look at it, there's more Spanish teacher than French teacher. So, but there's a total of 11 teachers. And the principal is only choosing 3. Okay, so she's choosing 3. And what is the probability that the preacher chooses? We only want Spanish teachers. So how many Spanish teachers are? So that's 6. Okay, and again, in the end, 3 Spanish teachers are going. So, if we do that, we can do the whole substituting what we're supposed to substitute. And then if we substitute correctly, we should get 35 for the top, 495 for the bottom, which is equal to 7 over 99. Oops, sorry, wrong one. 20 over 165, which is equal to 4 over 33. Okay. Again, okay, there are 7 fiction books, 5 fiction books and 7 non-fiction books. Okay, so that's 12 total. Okay, your teacher randomly assigned, so you want 4, and all of them are non-fiction. Okay, so there's actually 7 non-fiction books and 4 that we okay in the end that we're picking. So we do that again. 7 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 12 factorial over 12 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, this is where you get your 35. over 495, okay, which is the same thing as 7 over 99. Okay, so that's number 12. Number 13 is a little bit different, okay. These are the coin problems, okay. Remember, on a coin, there's two sides, okay, and you toss it up 7 times, okay. Okay, and then the top part is the combination part. We tossed it up 7 times, and we want 5 heads, okay. So, again, 7 minus 5 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay, and then 2 to the 7th power, I believe, is 128. So if we do that, we get equal to 21 over 128. Okay. And the next problem, a bouquet of 9 flowers is made up of randomly choosing between roses and carnations. Okay. So if we're looking at roses or carnation, it doesn't tell us exactly how many. So we go 2 to the 9th power. It's just thinking that there's a whole bunch of roses, a whole bunch of carnations, so it's a 50-50 split. So that's why we can go 2 to the 9th power. There's 9 roses, okay, and we want at most. So 3 roses, okay, at most means the most is 3, so we start counting down. 9 to the 2, C9 1, plus, and we have to go all the way to 0 because the 0 is a choice. Okay, so when we do this, this becomes 84, this becomes 36. Yes, you do this all in the calculator. This becomes 9, this one becomes 1. And you get 130 over 512, so you end up with 65 over 256. Okay, that's 14. 15, you flip a coin with all of them are tails, okay? So you flip it 5 times, okay? And you want all of them, so that's 5, 5. And it's, remember that. Okay, anytime you flip a coin, it's 2 to whatever power it is. So I think 2 to the 5th power is 32, okay? And whenever you have the two numbers being the same, that's going to be 1. So our answer is 1 over 32. Number 16. Almost done. Okay, 6 females, okay, and 3 males, so that's a total of 9. Okay, we choose 4, so that's 4 there. Okay, and we want all of them to be females. Okay, so there's 6 females, all of them. Okay, so 4 of them are females. Okay, so we do this, you substitute correctly, you should get 15 on top, 126, which is the same thing as 5 over 42. I hope I did my math right. Okay, you flip the coin 8 times, so that's 2 to the 8th power. At least 5 heads, so at least 5 heads. So we're counting, we have 8, 5, and we want to go up. We can have 6, we can have 7, and we can have 8. Okay, we add them all together, we get 93 over 256. Okay. Because this is 56, this is 28, this is 8, and this is 1. Okay, last one, at least 6 oranges. Okay, again, 2 to the 9th power. Okay, because we have 2 of them. What is the probability the bag contains at least 6 oranges? So at least, so that's the bottom. So 9 to the 6th, and then we count up. So this is 1, this should be 9. If you do this 36, 84. And you'll end up with 130 over 512, which is the same thing as 65 over 256. Okay, it should be done.